Welcome. Thanks for viewing our Trackman lesson of the week. This is a great swing to look at for many reasons, but the main focus today is looking at the angle of attack, as in where the club is coming into the ball at impact with a driver. When you look at the swing on the right, I'm going to take both these to the top, and then I will show you the numbers. At the top, really pretty identical. Now, when we start down, let's look at the swing on the right. And we're going to compare the shafts at halfway down. Now let's go back to the swing on the left, which is the better of the two. The swing on the left, the angle of attack at impact was minus 1.4. The swing on the right, the angle of attack at impact was minus 4.9. So as I take him down on the left, you can see I've got his club probably about 2 inches closer to the red line than the swing on the right. That doesn't look significant, but what you have to understand is the more that golf club is behind you, as in swing on the left, the likelihood of you hitting up at that ball at impact with a driver is high. Now as we take this down, once again you can see the shafts. They're definitely in a little bit different positions. Now I want to show you numbers and see why that's important. Now let's look at the numbers. The yellow, you can look at angle of attack, first column, minus 4.9, and the green, angle of attack, minus 1.4. Now let's take that across. When you look at club path, this is where you can get fooled. The club path, even on the steeper angle of attack, is plus 2.3, which is good. That means that path is working in to out. And then as we shallow his angle of attack on the green, you can see club path plus 3.9. Now let's go over to club speed. Virtually identical, 1/10 of 1 mile an hour, but you look at ball speed, when we got the angle of attack better, the ball speed literally jumped by really 4 miles an hour. And then the significance of that is look at carry. When he was hitting 4.9 down, he was carrying at 203. Now at 1.4 down, he's carrying at 223, and then those total distances relate to 233 versus 248. So literally 15 yards. So the only thing I did with Peter here is I got that shaft to shallow coming down, which ultimately gives us a better angle of attack, which is paramount when you're hitting a driver.